Come test drive this 2013 Dodge Durango. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include front dual-zone air conditioning, one-touch window functionality, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, remote keyless entry, and a split-folding rear seat. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.